This 2019 Jayco Melbourne 24K double slide, rear queen bed is a Class B plus RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Jayco is 25 feet 2 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 4, smoke detector, self-contained, slideout, skylight, air conditioning, water heater, auxiliary battery, microwave, LP detector, external shower, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B Plus features front entertainment, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2019 Jayco Melbourne 24K double slide, rear queen bed is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.